This is the key to fixing everything you need around the house. Hey parents, I just got this new tool I want to tell you about. If you're like me, you always have kids that are bringing you something to be fixed. Hey, put it on daddy's desk, it'll get fixed, am I right? So I want to show you a quick and simple tool that I just learned about. This is Keyzmo. Now I don't want to say it's the greatest thing in the world, but it just might be. For me, I'm always finding myself going to the toolbox. Now I keep my toolbox in the garage, and some days they bring me the toy, and I don't want to run out to the garage to get my tools to bring it in to get fixed. I just reach for my handy Keyzmo. It's always in my pocket, fits on my keyring. It's one of the things I love about it. I just pull it right out and put it right in. And look at that. Look at how easy it just goes in there. It's just like, so simple. Unscrew that. Take the battery cover off. Now, I like to use the Keyzmo and just pop them out there. So simple. And I happen to have 3 batteries right here. Easily restore the cover. Keyzmo makes it so simple. There we go, I like it nice and snug. That way, no accidental screws coming out. And look at that. I was walking by and I noticed I had a loose switch plate. So I reached in my pocket and I grabbed my Keyzmo. I always keep it with me for just moments like this. Fits so easily into the screws. Look at that. Perfectly. Saves me time, effort. It makes it safe for everybody. Now that I've shown you all the great stuff that Keyzmo can do, let me show you it's got one more special trick up its sleeve. Once I fixed everything else around the house for everybody else, Keyzmo's got me for a little me time. Cheers. Parents, if you want to save time and effort and get a handy little tool that does everything you need around the house, get yourself a Keyzmo.